Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c colon and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c colon /bcd backup, then hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r-s and hit enter. Type in ren c colon /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.